Yeah, you just clicked on my video because I just hit my first 100 subscribers.
And so, please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you.
Yes, I know you're already thinking that, oh, what is wrong with you? 100 and you're saying, yes, I am celebrating my first 100 subscribers. And that is one thing about small creators. When you're just starting, you don't celebrate your small win. And I intentionally make this video so that I can remind you, let this video be a reminder that you should celebrate your small win. I know this is very small. When I started this new YouTube channel, I had a goal of hitting 1K in 1 month. But then for somebody that has gone through this phase before, I have started channels, I have started different page on Instagram, TikTok from scratch, from like no followers to going to 100k followers, 200k followers. So I know that this moment like this is not the end of everything, you know. For if you're in 100 subscribers today or followers today, it in the matter of months it will grow. So that's why I'm celebrating this small win, because I know for me it is nothing. It might look small, but I know this is a step to more subscribers, if you get what I mean. So I am your reminder today, you are a small creator. No matter what you set, celebrate that small win. Do you know how it will look like if 100 people are in a room watching you? Like if I had 100 people watching me in real life, that is a lot. 100 people cannot even contain a small room. So I am your reminder today to celebrate your small win, okay? And because of this, because I'm so happy, you know, there's been a time in my life like a lot of pages from scratch. I remember last year I started a new TikTok account from scratch, and that TikTok account is going to 100k followers now. So I know that because I have 10 followers today doesn't mean that it will not grow. So this is a video that is just trying to motivate you today that whatever you are as a creator, YouTube creator on this space, especially YouTube space, you are going to grow. And I am here to encourage you. That is why I started this channel, okay? And to encourage you, I'm going to be doing my first giveaway, you know, just to like celebrate everybody that has followed me on this channel. This is people that has followed me also. If you've not followed me, you are not qualified for. If you've not clicked the subscribe button before I start this giveaway right now, click the subscribe button and engage all my videos, okay? I'm going to be giving out 2 lights. I'm going to be giving out this light. Let me hold it. Two lucky creators. And why am I doing this? I'm just doing this to encourage you guys, you know, to create more content. You know, when I started out, I did not have light. It was just my phone. But I know the importance of all these props. It helps to enhance your videos. So that's why I'm going to be giving out these two lucky creators on my page. Maybe you were following before, or you subscribed before, you're not subscribed before, you know, just know that you can qualify to win this. And how do you go about it? First, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and engage my other videos. I must see your comments in at least 2 of my videos. Then I know that you're a loyal follower, you're a loyal subscriber. You're not just there because you want my giveaway. And also at the end of the day, under this video, after you've gone to subscribe and checked my other video, drop a meaningful comment, engage my videos, okay, then you come back under this video and you will tell me when you started this content creation and why you need these lights, okay? So the thing is, I'm going to be giving out is either this light or an equivalent of it. So it's that I'm paying for this light for you, or I'm going to convert it to money, how much this light is, and I'm going to send it to your account. So it's as simple as that. So the rule of this giveaway is very simple. I'm not going to bore you or make you feel as though you are working so hard for it, because I know you're already working hard for everything you are doing already. So number 1, go and engage all my videos. And in one of the videos I mentioned the name of my channel. I mentioned the name of my channel, my other channel. Let me know the name of the channel. So let me know the name of the channel under this post. So number 1, write the name of that channel under this post. And number 2, ensure that you've engaged all my posts. I want to see your comments on all of my other videos. Then the 3rd one, you come back and also write. Number 1, you tell me the name of my channel. Number 2, you write done. That means you've gone to check all my other videos and you've engaged it, put comment, like, and everything. Then number 3, you're going to come and tell me why you need these lights. how is it going to contribute to you, or even the token that you're going to get if I don't get it, because you might be in another part of the world. If I send you the equivalent, how is it going to help you? It's just a token to encourage you today. Okay, I know it's not much. Finally, I know that content creation can be very overwhelming, so I would like you to also be very positive about it. Always speak positivity to yourself, no matter what you're passing through, no matter how hard it is to you've not been meeting your goals and all that. It's always good to always speak positivity to yourself. And I also want you to speak this positive affirmation as a round of this video. I want you to repeat after me. I am a talented and creative content creator. Every video I create adds value to my audience, and I am consistently growing and improving. My voice is unique and is needed. My hard work is paying off. I trust the process and I embrace every step of the journey with confidence and excitement. Okay, you can always come back to this part of this video anytime you are feeling overwhelmed as a content creator, so that it can encourage you today. Okay, and until I come your way with more videos like this, I'll be in the comment section anyways to pick my winner. Maybe in the next few weeks I'm going to pick my winner. So wherever you are, congratulations in advance, and I will see you in my next one. And until then, I remain your media assistant. Toodoo.